Optimizing your WorldPay setup is crucial to ensuring seamless and secure transactions for your customers. To begin, it is essential to understand the core components of the WorldPay system, including the payment gateway, merchant account, and payment processing protocols. First, verify your WorldPay account to ensure it is fully activated and configured for your business needs. This involves providing required business and banking information and setting up your payment gateway to process transactions. Next, configure your payment settings to align with your business model. This includes setting up payment methods, such as credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfers, and defining payment terms, including currency, payment limits, and settlement periods. To enhance security, enable two-factor authentication and implement a robust fraud prevention strategy. This may include setting up IP blocking, velocity checks, and card verification value checks to minimize the risk of fraudulent transactions. Integrate your WorldPay account with your e-commerce platform or website using a suitable integration method, such as an API or plugin. This enables seamless payment processing and provides a streamlined customer experience. Regularly review and optimize your WorldPay setup to ensure it remains aligned with your business needs and industry best practices. Monitor transaction reports and analytics to identify areas for improvement, and adjust your payment settings and security protocols accordingly. Additionally, stay up to date with the latest WorldPay features and updates, and take advantage of tools and resources, such as the WorldPay Support Center and Developer Portal, to optimize your setup and resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your WorldPay setup to provide a secure, efficient, and customer-friendly payment experience, ultimately driving business growth and success.